This thing is full of awesome accessories, so let's dive in. First pouch you're going to find on the outside of the Havoc 30 is this vertically oriented admin pouch. It's a simple zipper, and then you can pull it open to see all the space. Inside of the pouch itself is an administrative pocket, easy to access. The next pocket you're going to come to is the shove-it pocket. So I like to put my down jacket in here, I'll put my tennis shoes in here when I'm getting ready to go to the gym. When you're trying to access the backpack from the top, you can just start the zippers and you can peel it forward, and it gives you easy access into the top of the backpack. So I'm going to talk about the next piece of tech here, which are these quick locks. I promise you that this is an improvement over fast tech. It just takes a second to get used to. To take it out, you just pull to give yourself a little bit of slack, rotate, and it goes right open through the hole. As long as you can get that buckle through the opening, it's going to hold itself on its own tension. That's what makes this system so good to use, especially if you have gloves on. It's much easier to manipulate, and by doing that, you get access to the full outside of the bag. This top portion right here is the sunglass pouch. This is a slightly new and improved MOLLE system. The theory is no different. You have to weave it through and lock it in place. It's a different material, it's lighter, it still retains a lot of the strength. Main compartment of the Havoc 30, you're gonna find that it's got a ton of space. In standard now these days on backpacks, you're gonna find the laptop sleeve, padded and protected to cover your laptop. On the top, on the inside, you're gonna find your normal accessory pouch, zipper closure, mesh so you can see what's inside of it, easy access. One last feature on the side before we move on, it's got a side pouch. Inside here is an elastic retainer band for a magazine. That's on both sides of the bag. Going to the back side of the bag, got a new and improved yoke and harness system on this. Underneath here in the lumbar section, you're gonna find the waistband. I'm not gonna pull both sides out, but needless to say, they're both stuffed underneath. It's completely removable if you want it to be. If you roll these out of the way, you're gonna find a pocket for external carry of your laptop or any hydration system that you would want to put inside of the bag. Padding all the way down, cleaned up and ready to rock. It's the Havoc 30.
This is the Schrade SCHA 12B Dual Action Magic Assisted Opening Tactical EDC Knife, one of 4 models in the SCHA 12 series. Quick to deploy, easy to carry, and tough as nails, the SCHA 12B sports a 3¼ black-coated drop-point blade. The shaving-sharp, full fine edge is forged from tough, edge-retaining AUS-8 stainless steel, making it well-suited for a wide range of cutting jobs at home, in the shop, on the job, or in the field. Unleash the blade from its protective handle using the Schrade Dual Action Magic Opening System. With blade closed, slide the mode selector. Handle switch up, revealing the M. When the M is showing, the knife is in manual opening mode. Slide the mode selection switch down, revealing the A to engage the Magic Assisted Opening Deployment System. Snap the blade into action using the ambidextrous thumb knobs or finger actuator. To store the blade, slide the patterned liner lock to the side and carefully close the blade into the handle. Contoured bottom finger cutouts conform to the human hand, while spine-side jimping increase stability and leverage. Patterned black handle slabs increase grip and shed moisture in any weather condition, while increasing the visual appeal of this blade. Add a length of cord to the lanyard hole and wrap around your wrist for additional safety. Reverse the rugged steel pocket clip for left or right pocket carry. Fashioned for versatile everyday carry, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHA 12B Dual Action Magic Assisted Opening Tactical Pocket Knife. Find the SCHA 12B in black with full fine edge, the SCHA 12BS in black with part serrated edge, the SCHA 12 in gray with fine edge, and the SCHA 12S in gray with part serrated edge.
This is the real Avid pistol tool. The first multi-tool designed to work on all striker fires, 1911s, and revolvers. This compact profile houses 19 precision tools, non-marring bushing wrenches for both 1911 government and officer models. 4 onboard Bondus Protanium hex keys for adjusting all laser sighting systems. Stored in the handle are flat, Phillips, hex, and Torx bits, with ball detents that lock into a 2.5-inch long bit driver. A detachable pin punch makes takedown easy. Paired with a tap hammer for stubborn pins.
An 832 threaded receiver pivots from the handle and accepts standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes.
A non-hardened stainless steel pick scraper combination cleans crud from slide rails and other hard-to-reach places. There's a rugged 3-inch titanium-coated Tonto-style knife. And a fine-tooth metal file. An incredible number of tools compact enough to fit in your mag pouch. The real Avid pistol tool. It keeps your trigger finger happy.
Introducing the BitVault, a micro carry case that's far from ordinary. Pockets and bags aren't designed to carry small items. They get lost, dirty, or even destroyed. Existing keychain pillboxes are almost always cylinders. We get it. They're easy to make and cheap to produce. But they don't fit well with your keys. And they're either too small to hold anything or too big to carry around. Our first insight was to flatten the canister so it nests on your keychain, but still has the internal space to carry a wide range of small objects. The cap-mounted tray helps you access and organize your items. Dual magnetic hex bit sockets transform the BitVault into a small yet powerful screwdriver. Just carry the bits you need and you're always ready. A custom gasket seals the BitVault tight, and quick-release clips lock the lid in place. We design the container, but you make it the product you want. Whether you're a cyclist and need a few bits for a long bike ride, or you're heading out on a first date, or maybe you just want to be prepared for whatever the day may throw at you. Carry what you need and leave the rest at home. Just clip it and you're ready for your next adventure.
The upgraded Fenix E20 version 2 is better and brighter. Powered by 2 AA batteries, this flashlight has a maximum output of 350 lumens and can throw that light 131 yards. The tail switch operates all modes. Click the switch for on and off. Lightly tap to choose between 4 brightness levels. This flashlight is a perfect everyday carry size and is only 5 inches long. The E20 features a patented ultra-thin optical lens with an automobile coating which allows for clearer vision. This flashlight is built tough with hard anodized aluminum and an IP68 rating, making it dustproof and waterproof. The Fenix E20 version 2 is a great option for those who need an affordable AA powered flashlight for everyday use.
The 511 Double Duty Quick Fix folder offers tremendous versatility and utility in any setting. The Double Duty Quick Fix offers you quick access to the tools you need to get the job done. Dual strengthened folding blades offer high performance locking mechanisms, while a built-in web cord cutter, integrated screwdriver, a bit driver head, along with a bottle opener and assorted wrench slots offer superior utility. We even made the pocket clip reversible for convenient and customizable carry. This is the 511 Double Duty Quick Fix folder.